Take one.
Hi, Ramon. Yeah. Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi. Yeah. What else? Oh, birthday. Oh yeah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ow! That hurt.
So weird.
Yeah. So here's your video.
Yeah, here's your video. Here's your video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Bored people these days, you know?
Yeah, we're bored.
That's how this happened.
What? Oh yeah, and you know my brother Nick.
Who is it?
That guy that went to his house, remember when I was raining with Diego?
No.
The guy? We went to Henry's house after.
No.
That one guy, he lives in the apartment. So like,
Is this still on the video?
Oh, that fucking pretty boy right there?
what? I don't know.
That fucker that has what's your girlfriend's from Fullerton?
He has a girlfriend from Fullerton? No, I don't know that, but.
He has a girlfriend. He's right there. Bro, looking at the
Oh,
video
yeah.
right now.
Alright, if you remember me, then like. I got. Okay, you ready?
Okay,
Oh, yeah.